So Joe and Sarah are both getting loans at a bank. Sarah's credit score is $515. So not so good. Joe's credit score is 730. So that is better. And Joe is approved for a loan at 5.6%. Sarah must pay 4 percentage points higher because of her credit rating. So, what interest rate is Sarah charged? So, Joe is charged the 5.6. Sarah is 4 percentage points higher than that. So, we're going to add that. And so, Sarah is going to be at 9.6%. So now, how much extra in simple interest does Sarah pay if they were both getting a loan for $1,500 for 6 years? So, simple interest, the formula is I equals PRT. And so, I is the interest, P is the principal, what's the initial amount, R is the rate as a decimal, and T is time in years. So, in this problem, we're looking at Sarah. She has a principal of $1,500, so the amount of the loan. Her rate is at 0.096, because again, we take that percentage and convert it to a decimal. And the time is for the 6 years. And so we calculate this and we find that the interest that Sarah is going to pay is $864. So over the 6 years, she'll pay a total of $864 extra. And so Joe is going to take out the same loan amount, $1,500, but his rate is significantly less. His rate is at 0.056, so the 5.6%, and it is for the same amount of time, 6 years. And so when we calculate this, we find that Joe is going to pay a total interest of $504 over the life of that loan. So that's 6 years. And so how much extra is Sarah paying? Well, $864 is what she's paying. Joe pays $504 because, again, the only thing that we changed here was the amount of the interest. And so Sarah is paying a total of $360 extra for that loan. And so that is the cost of her credit not being as good. It's an additional $360. And so this was on the small scale of a loan being for $1,500. But if you scale that up, say it was a car that was $30,000 or $40,000 or $50,000, that's a huge difference that's going to make. And we can take that into housing and think about, again, a $1,500 loan versus a $300,000 loan. It's going to be a significant difference, which is why your credit score is so important.